Hi, I am Atul Rajesh Jha, and on behalf of my team Innovateria, I will be presenting our idea, Mindverse, which is a game which will help students to bridge the gap between the conceptual study and the interesting study. Like, now let's dive deep into our idea. So, like here, you can see on the front interface that we are having a game known as Chemistry Mystery in Chemistry. Here it is a one of the part of our game mind moves. So basically if we talk about actual concept of our game, so in our game we are integrating the science or the like theoretical subjects with the our epic spiritual stories like which our ancestors have given us. Why? Because like during the early age of learning, it's really difficult for us to like conceptualize the concepts and like actually visualize it. So, but by correlating it with a great stories, we will be able to like even learn those concepts as well as like learn moral values from this story. So let's dive deep into our story now. Uh, like if we start our game, we get like here the option. Let's dive deep on the periodic table. As we know, in the chemistry, periodic table plays really a vital role. And in the same way, it's really difficult to learn the whole periodic table. So we have used basically like we have made it in such a way that students will be able to learn periodic table by just like conceptualizing it. Like here you can see the whole periodic table in which we have made some features like if a student clicks on any of the element they will be able to see such like effects and visualize it in a great way, even play with it by creating some shapes, and like it's kind of interesting, right? So now let's move into our main game. Let's dive in. So here we can see there are like multiple stages in our game. So what we have done, we have picked up a chemistry subject and we have divided it into seven stages. Sorry, seven chapters. Each stage contained two or a single like kand of the Ramayana. Like here we can say stage one consists of Bal Kand and Ayodhya Kand. If we enter into this stage, we will be able to see a story. Like the very first story we get is Dasaratha is king of Ayodhya and have three wives and four sons, Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata and Shatrugna. And here we can see the next question, which is which element from the periodic table has atomic number 4? Like we know we are able to correlate. Like here in the story, it's four sons. We are talking about four sons, and in the periodic table, we have four atomic number. So this is the actual pickup point where we are correlating story with the question. And now if we click like here, the answer will be B. But if I am a beginner, I will just go on the hint section. Like here I will be get a hint like since the atomic number as this 4, so it's sure we will be the second group of periodic table, and like from the hint we can also guess out the answer. So for here answer is BE, beryllium. So we are getting a bonus point here. Like before this button, let's dive deep, was not here, but now we have got this button. So in this button we can see like here's the storyline, here's the video in which this story is explained in form of video. More better like visualize the concept, and even we have got the 3D element of the same element. Like we were talking about beryllium, right? So we have like it's the 3D element consisting of its atomic number, then its mass. So it will be more easier for the student to visualize. Here we have timer, score. Now if we go to the next question, this is the once again we have another story. Like story is going questions are increasing level wise, and this in the same way stories are going up and up and up. Like which of the following element is composed in wounds? We know here the calcium is the answer, and even we can guess it out from our head, right? This even looks interesting, but for now let's tap on a wrong answer. Okay, So if we tap on a wrong answer, we can see we doesn't get that option of let's dive deep. Why? Because that is a surprise element. If you are able to actually answer the correct answer, then only you get that. And if you are unable to answer the correct answer, then what? Like each stages contains multiple questions. Then you will be having option to show result, like get your scores, where in the out of 10 question I have attempted to, correct answer was 1 and wrong answer was 1. Now we'll get the option to play again, and until that I am unable to clear my levels and the questions, I won't be able to move forward. Basically, we have to learn, like understand each and every question level wise, and then only we will be able to move forward and forward. And this is how our main game works. But for now, the game actually which we have shown is just the chemistry version of our whole Mindverse. In this, we will be also integrating it for other subjects like physics and mathematics, so that it will be more easier for students to learn. And in the NCRT, like if we talk about NCRT syllabus, and if we talk about other books, so really it will make it more interesting for the students, and it will give them another reason. Also will be, as we are moving towards the virtual world, so we are also integrating an option of live video conferencing website in the game itself. Like when the person will be, like we know in the Mahabharata Sanjay was having Divya Drishti. In the same way, the student and the teachers will be able to connect on the same gaming platform, so that teacher will also be able to check the progress of student. And even if student will have any of the live doubt, they will be clear it out. So this is how our game is working. It is the MVP, minimum valued product, made using React.js, and we are working on the Merge stack. So I hope uh, you all like this game, and like expecting the positive response from your side, so that we will move forward, and like obviously we will work on it, and this game is gonna get lots and lots of attention from students. Thank you.